How's it going? This is Oscar Uribe here at 3M Audio in Visalia, California. Been in the car audio industry for about 16 years. We started at a very young age. About 13 years old is the first time we installed a stereo, actually in my dad's car. And ever since then, we've been hooked and just growing and trying to learn everything we can. And that's when we realized that, hey, this is actually a viable career opportunity that I can chase. And that's what we've been doing ever since. Here at 3M Audio, we mainly specialize in custom fabrication. We do work on a lot of show vehicles, a lot of classics, pickup trucks, just people who really want a little more than your standard installation, want something more personalized. We can make, something look factory, or we can make something totally stand out. It's up to the customer, but we do it all here. So the car audio scene here in the area is people like it loud, and SounDigital and Ground Zero really allow us to deliver that with their big power amps and loudspeakers that also sound great. A perfect example of that is we actually are currently working on a single cab pickup truck, which we are utilizing the SounDigital Evo X2 amps, which will fit perfect under the seat due to their small footprint. So HKI has really helped us out by providing SounDigital and Ground Zero to us, especially during the pandemic when everybody was out of stock. SounDigital came in and provided us what we needed to keep moving and providing these great amplifiers and speakers. So my name is Oscar here from 3M Audio in Visalia, California. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at 3M Audio Visalia. And if you have any questions, you could also give us a call at area code 559-331-7800.